Hi everyone, my name is Denise Kish with IDEX, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own customized report in Prism. To do so, we're going to be using our new CNA module. So I'm clicking on that, and as it loads, we are in the district view right now, and you can see that there are three reports: achievement, gap, and achievement versus the gap. I'm actually going to filter it down a little bit. I'm going to get into building number 4, so that we're at a building level, which is similar to what a principal would be doing. And we're going to narrow it down even further by selecting a subject and a grade. You can see all of the other filters that we have available: claim, cohort, gender, ethnicity, and so on. So you can choose any of these to filter down. Up here at the top are three important areas. Target group, right now we're looking at ethnicity, but you could look at gender or program. We are in school year 2019, and the measure that we're looking at is proficiency on MSTEP. We could also be looking at scale score or SGP. And coming soon, you'll be able to use all the other assessments that we have: the NWEA, STAR, iReady, PSAT, or SAT, in order to look at their subgroup information. So sticking with what we have, I'm going to close the filter panel, and I've previously opened up a PowerPoint and have it ready to go. So what we're going to be doing is using our snipping feature to copy this data and put it into a report. So to do so, I use the Windows Shift and S, and then I'm simply going to click and drag so that I create a box around the information that I want. I'm going to open my PowerPoint and paste it into my PowerPoint. Now at this point, I need to add a title because I need to make sure that the information that I have is very descriptive. So in my title, I should put something like the year. I want to put that it's MSTEP. I want to put my district name. I want to put my building name, the grade level I'm working with, the subject area, and the target group that I'm working with. So you can see that this is very descriptive then of everything that I have showing down below. Before we move out of the PowerPoint, I would copy that title so that you're not having to recreate everything every single time, and just paste it into however many more slides you're going to have. Now I'm going to go back to slide number 2 because everything is going to stay the same, except we're going to be switching it to math, but we'll still be looking at ethnicity. So if I minimize my PowerPoint, open up my filter panel, deselect ELA, select math. Remember, we're still looking at ethnicity. Closing my filter panel, my snipping feature, draw my box around by clicking and dragging, open up my PowerPoint, and paste it in there. So I'm ready to go. Moving on to the third slide, I would change my target group to gender because we're still going to be working with, we're going to go back to ELA and do gender. Then we would change that to math and gender. So we can get the next couple of slides again pre-prepared for us. Again, minimizing my PowerPoint, opening up my filter panel. My target group is up here. Just click on gender, we'll change that. I'm going to deselect math, select ELA, close my filter panel, do my snipping feature, click and drag around the information that I want, open up my PowerPoint and paste it in, and then I can continue on. So I showed you earlier all the different filters that you could apply. You could do this for every grade level and so on. If you have any questions, please make sure you contact us. You can do so by email or by phone. And just want you to know that we really enjoy working with schools and we absolutely look forward to working with you. Take care, everyone.